Hello friends, welcome to my digital classroom. I am Vishal Kumar Srivastava. One of my students requested me to upload one videos on the central theme of the poem, Keeping Quiet. So honoring his request, I am uploading this video on 7th October 2021. And as far as this poem is concerned, let me tell you that it's a deeply thought out poem. It's a poem that holds relevance for each one of us even today, and we need a very brooding kind of mindset in order to be able to understand this poetry much better. So let's try to understand the basic summary or the central theme of the poem. So basically, the poet is trying to say, trying to convey a message through this poem that by keeping quiet, by observing silence, by indulging in a quiet introspection, we can bring a transformational change in the entire world. So the poet is telling each one of us to keep quiet. So one of the central theme or the major theme that is being focused here is the introspection. So introspection means we need to do a little bit of soul searching. Introspection means आत्ममंथन करना है हमें कि whatever the kind of work we have undertaken or whatever we are doing, whether it is in the interest of the humanity or not. So through this poem, the poet is emphasizing the need of the introspection, because we are so busy in our worldly pursuits that we do not feel the necessity of introspection, and knowingly or unknowingly we are not only killing the animals, we are not only disturbing the ecological balance of the earth, but we are also waging a war against each other. We are fighting with each other for no reason. So basically, through this poem, the poet is also trying to convey the message that that the war is always harmful for the mankind. So through this poem, the poet is not only warning us about the evil consequences of the war, but he's also telling us about the futility of the war, because the kind of the weapons, the kind of the destructive weapons that mankind have invented, like the weapons like the atomic bomb or the nuclear weapons or the chemical weapons. So if we use these kinds of weapons, so they will wipe out the humanity from the whole earth. So the poet is asking us to introspect ki whether what is the use of the such war if there will be no survival, there will be no one to rejoice the victory. What is the use of such war? When there will be no winner or loser? So the poet is basically trying to convey the message that we need to introspect. We need to feel the necessity of introspection to establish the peace in the entire world. And because there is so much unrest in the world, for no reason we are fighting with each other, just because there is a difference of the language. And the poet is asking us to keep quiet, to observe silence, because silence is the language that is understood by all the mankind. And one more thing, let me tell you that the poet has used the symbolism of number 12 in this particular poem very, very effectively, because 12 is a very specific number. It is a number which is very, very important. It's a number in a year calendar. It's a number, it's a point in a clock where the two needle converge on each other. So 12 is the number which is the symbol of unity, which is the symbol of togetherness, which is the symbol of calmness, which is the symbol of introspection. So that's the central theme of the poem. And the poet is not only talking about the word unity. Through this poem, the poet is talking about the universal brotherhood. The poet is talking about the necessity of the quiet introspection. That is the larger theme that is being focused through this poem. And the poet is talking about the futility of the war. So that's all. For as far as this central theme of the poem is concerned, and I hope that you must have understood the theme of the poem very well. And if you want me to come up with more frequent videos, share this video wholeheartedly among your classmates, among your friends. And in the next part, in the next video, I'll be uploading the detailed explanation along with the critical appreciation of the poem. Thank you.